How to get epic amounts of fruit from grape plant. Grapes are versatile fruits used in a wide range of popular foods from raisins to jelly to wine. Grapevines not only produce sweet and versatile fruits, they add an element of drama to a garden or landscape. They are vigorous growers. Where to plant grapes? Your location needs to be prepared with a support well in advance. You can use a trellis, an arbor, or any number of other types of support structure. But it needs to be there when you plant your vine. How to plant grapes? Bare root grapes should be soaked in water for at least 2 hours prior to planting. Potted grapes should be watered well the day before to reduce transplant shock. Begin by digging a hole that is a minimum of a foot wide and deep. Add 4 inches of good topsoil to the bottom of the hole. Then examine your plant's roots. Trim off any which are broken or damaged. Support. Grapevines need some type of support or they will trail along the ground. The support can be an arbor covering a patio for shade, or can be as simple as a post in the ground to support the trunk of the vine. Growth of grape plants. Bud break. In the early spring, as the vine comes out of dormancy, it begins with bleeding of vines which were pruned during the winter months. As the soil warms, water will ooze out of places where the cane was cut. One vine can bleed up to almost 1.5 gallons of water. Flowering stage. During the flowering stage is when pollination occurs. While most commercially grown grapevines are self-pollinating, wild ones are not and require insects to pollinate the flowers. In addition, this stage is when fertilization and seed set occurs, forming tiny dots that will become seed. Caring for grape plant to ensure the good quality yield. Watering. Apply water only to the root zone. Avoid getting grape foliage wet, as this can encourage many grape diseases. Reduce watering young vines in the fall to encourage the plant to harden off its canes to prepare for winter. Feeding and mulching. Do not fertilize in the first year unless you have problem soil. Fertilize lightly in the second year of growth. Use mulch to keep an even amount of moisture around the vines. A mesh net is useful in keeping birds away from budding fruit. Weeding. Keep grass and other plants from growing under grapevines. This allows the soil to heat up early in the spring and maintain higher soil temperatures to encourage growth. Pruning. Pruning grapes depends on how you decide to grow them in your garden and how much space you have. Heavy pruning provides the best fruit. Light pruning results in large yields of poor quality fruit. Very heavy pruning produces too much leafy growth and very little or no fruit. Harvesting. The best way to tell if grapes are ripe is to taste a few. Many varieties turn color before they are ripe. Clip full clusters off the vine with pruning shears or heavy scissors. Handle clusters carefully. Remove any discolored, injured, or undesirable berries. Cool them as soon as they are picked.